My name is Ariadna Heinz, and I speak on behalf of the Catalan National Assembly, a grassroots organization defending the right to self-determination of the Catalan people. In relation with OSCE participating states' mission to eradicate torture and degrading treatment on civil society while respecting human rights in counterterrorism efforts, we wish to raise two urgent concerns regarding Spain. During the 2017 Catalan referendum, Spanish police used disproportionate force by beating, dragging, and firing rubber bullets against peaceful citizens exercising their right to vote. Over 1,000 voters were injured, many of them elders. Yet 1 year after the 2024 amnesty law, 129 out of 133 police officers accused of violence, that is 97%, have already benefited from amnesty, while 46% of pro-independence activists remain criminalized and prosecuted, such as those accused in Operation Judas, who still face trials and unfounded terrorism charges. This unequal application of the law sends a dangerous message. State violence goes unpunished, while civic mobilization for democracy is repressed. It undermines the rule of law and erodes public trust in institutions, democratic institutions, supposedly. On the other hand, Spain has repeatedly weaponized anti-terrorism laws against Catalan activists. Civil society leaders have been accused of terrorism simply for organizing peaceful demonstrations or engaging in digital activism. For example, rapper Pablo Hasél has spent almost 5 years in prison for lyrics and tweets deemed to glorify terrorism and is reportedly denied proper care for his Crohn's disease. Such practices not only stigmatize political dissent, but also trivialize the fight against real terrorism. They violate principles of proportionality, legality, and necessity that must govern counterterrorism measures under international human rights law. For these reasons, the Catalan National Assembly calls on the OSCE authorities to urge Spain to apply amnesty and transitional justice fairly without favoring state agents over peaceful citizens, guarantee independent investigations into police brutality during protests, urge Spain to avoid misusing counterterrorism laws to suppress political dissent or peaceful activism. These measures must ensure that Spain upholds human rights in counterterrorism and ends the persecution of peaceful Catalan activists in pursuit of self-determination. Thank you.